ole he video chuan grammar lampang deuh mo ma se grammatically taka suklu chil si lovin engtin nge grammar lama lo beidong to si de tan khan engtin nge ol sam takin heng hi kan manang mo va en me ya hriat thiama ol sam taka man thei dan kha zir kan tim don ani entinan mizo te chuan grammar tel lo chuan english hi athiam thei lo kan ti topa adik na chin aom ve ani amaro chu english thiam tur hian grammar atang kherin zir angai lo ti hi kan hriat ve angai grammar lo atangin kan ziranga talking atang te conversation atang te pon zirin grammar hi entirnan achungril tak tak zuklut lovin kan bolo na tur copy kan hreve thei ani ti hi keimania kan pom thiama kan hriat angai chumi chu het channelina atumpo ani ve renga grammar thiam lo awang khan english thiam lo a le english a nu fual bik le english a tong theilo hul huala lo in ngai mai thei ani ma se kha kha adik lo hul huala ni chuan voinia kan zir tur a chuan thil ho lampang anga lang si ma se poimo em atel lo wa english thiam theilo ti in soila adik ber ome chung te chu east te west te arle where te hi ani hemi te tel lo hian chuan english sentence khat po hi asoi theilo ti la kan soi sual om lo ve chuan english kan si reng hian grammar a hian first person I we second person you third person he she it le they hemi te pathum hi basic english kan thiam don po hian hriat ve hrim turani amaro chu hemi te hi voina karon thurbing tur anni lova he channela kan thurbing tur bik chu is was arle where te hi ani he hi engtin nge ol sam takin ka mananga engtin nge ol sam takin ka hriat theyang mo grammar a he second person ni a third person a chumi chu man tur a he tense ani a chu tiang ka past tense kha tiang te te a kan buai ani si chuan heti zong hian zir kan tum thin don ani he chan he video bi ka hian chuan lo en chin don taila ahma saber kan hriat tu chu present tense le past tense hi enge ni mo present ani chuan tun hun hi ti lo hretaila hemi is where was are hemia hian hei hi apoimo sia enge present chu present tense chu enge present chu tun hun hi ani ti kan hriat angai ani chuan past kan ti chu present achin nung lam zong kha ani kha past kan hun lo man to kha tiang ho zong kha past chu ani chuan future om le ma se future chu heta hen chong kan da tha ri lokang present le past kha kan hriat apoimo a present soi to angin tun hun aul samsong in past ni chuan tun hun achin malam zong mo minute khat achin malam po mo second achin malam zong khami zonga khan lo ngai ta la ni min te min pia te mo karma sa te khatiang song kha past tense chu tiang chuan lo da ta ila hriat ol sam ome chuan is le are hi kan hriat tur chu present tense ani ti kan hriat angai ni tun huna kan man thei tur ani chuan is hi enge ti kan chui chiang lokang is chu present tense ani mo present tense tun huna kan man thei akha ani chuan singular pakhat singular noun mo thil ming pakhata soina na man turani lala is ti demo khatiang anga khan man turani chuan is kan man theina te chu he she it le singular nouns kan ti kha ming to phot eng ming to phot khatiang anga khan is kha kan mang thei ani he is she is it is lala is mo khatiang ang khan is kan mang thei ani is chu present a man tur ani chu chuan are en leang are po hi present tense ve tho ani amaro chu plural pakhat aya tam ve thunga mo pakhat aya tam ve thunga man tur ani is po present tense ani a pakhat soinan kan hmanga are hi present tense ve tho ani a pakhat ai tam soinana man thin ani chu tiang chia chuan second person you a khan are hi man tel tur ani entirnan are kan man theina te chu we they mo we are they are le second person you a khan you are khata khan are hi man a man le theita ani kan hre thiam tura ka ngaya is le are kha present tense ani tun huna man tur ania is kha thil pakhat soina na man tur ani are kha plural pakhat ayatama man tur ani is chu singular pakhat soina are chu pakhat ayatam soina ti in daila a chiang ome present tense tun huna man ve ve tur kan ti to kha chuan uasa kan kal leang uas hi past tense hun kal to ni in singular thil pakhat soina na man thin ani ti hreleila is kha present tense a thil pakhat soina ani chu tiang chia chon was po hi past tense a thil pakhat soina na man tur ani a chiang em o a man theina te chu I was mo he I he she it I he she it khanga khan was te kha a man thei ani amaro chu khang I man te kha was I man to chon past tense hun kal to mo ama a hun local to khami soina kha ani a chiang tura nga yan o chon singular noun kha entirnan lala mi hring hing thil hing to phota chuan hun kal to soinan was kha man tel thei ani is ang tho kha ani chu a chiang tura nga yang o chuan wera kan kal leang where chu hriat thiam ol samdan tur chuan past tense a plural a man tur ani plural kan ti chun pakhat ayatam soina ani are kha plural tho ani a present tense a man tur ani a thil pakhat ayatam soina a tho man ani amaro chu tun hun present tense a man ani ti hriat tur ani where ve thung chu hun kal to pakhat ayatam soina ani ve thung ani chon where hi second person you a man thin ani ti hriat tur ani chuan where kan man theina te chu second person you a te first person plural we a te le third person plural they a te khan man tur ani mo you they we a te khan where kha man tur ani ti hriat le phot tur ani khati khan a ol sam zong in kan enta ni hriat chian lo lai a om mai theya a chan chu grammar hi eng chin nge kan thena eng chin nge I hriat kha ka hrelowa khamilaya khan zo du hote angalang si har deuh si tam tak om ru thin ani kha nasa takin min ti buaya grammar po hi heting video a hian siam har sa em mani ti kha ka sei duwa I han lep se tak tu chon hun hi adu mani ti hriat tur ani I tuna po khan a chutilai chu I soi lova ti kha I nasa takin soi mai po ka nei don ti kha chiang reng ani chu wang chuan ti khana ol sam zong in karon da ta pop ania a grammar chung tang tak phai chuanin social neu tur a om tamang ti a hriat thei ani amaro chu grammar thiam lo tan engtin nge english hi ka man veang tia kan hu me ol sam thei ang ber tura ka hriat ang khan ti khan karon thlang chuak ani chuan atop kharnan kan thual leang engtin nge kan hriat chianang mo hriat ol samdanin is le was hi thil pakhat soina atana man ani ti han hrele photila chu tiang chi chuan are le where hi thil pakhat ayatam plural mo thil pakhat ayatama man tur ani is le was chu singular thil pakhat chau soina atana man tur ani chuan is le are hi present mo tun huna man tur ani ti kha han hrele ta ila chu tiang chia chuan was le where he past hun kal to past tense hun kal to a man tur ani was le where kha ti han hrele photila chuan second person you a hian are le where he man tur ani mo you a hian you is a om ngai lawa you was a om ngai lo bok ani chu wang chuan iwa chuan are le where che hi man tur ani en sinang o hei hi is he she it le thil ming engpo singular nouns a khan is hi man tur ani a present tense tun hun a man tur ani chu tiang chi chuan are po hi present tense present ani a tun hun a man tur ani a we they le you a te are kha man tur ani is le are chu tun hun ani chumo is chu pakhat soina are chu pakhat ayatam soina chuan are kha you second person a khan man tel tur ani chu tiang chi chuan was I man theina te chu I he she it le thil ming engpo hun kal to past tense a khan man tur ani I was he was she was it was lala was khatiang anga khan hun kal to thil pakhat soina khan was kha man tur ani chu tiang chi chon where po past tense hun kal to a we they a man tur ani a chu tiang chi chon second person a you a khan man tel tur ani you were chuan where he was ang thawin past tense ani a hun kal to soina atana man tur ani tikhan a chiang tura kangaya khami aya chiang chuan han soiwak ngaina a om lova grammar taka chunga zuklu chil kan ni lova hetia en mein le english ka man mei donin eng huna nge is are was le where te hi ka manang khami kha kan point achu ani kha kan zir chu atum achu ani tikhan a chiang tura kangai eng ti khuna nge is ka manang is chu present tun huna ani a he she it le thilming eng po a man tur ani chu tiang chi chon are po present ani a ma se thil pakhat ayatama man tur ani chu tiangin we le they le you a te kan mang thei ani ti kha ria ila was po past tense ani a thil pakhat soina ani a I he she it le thil ming eng po thil kal to hun kal to a khan kan mang thei past tense a chu tiang chi chon where po we they le you a khan kan mang thei ani kha he video ina atum is are was le where te a man thei na tlang lon ol sam taka kan riat thei dan tur chu ani tikhan he video chuan kan du to kanga a chiang viau tura kanga ya chiang lo le fel helte a omani chuan ani lo le comments lama I soi zau na kha anei thei vek ani chuwang chun comments lama te ron comments ula ron zot ula tikhan I tun lai hi ka soi du chu ka buai ve em khami awang khan chu lowa hei net furani angin net lama te buaina kan nei ne wa chu wang chon video ka ti hlei thei lawa khatiang anga comments lama in lo drop kha entirnan thiam tak english thiam tak grammar thiam tak midang po an lo om khang khan soi fia kha ron in thla ron mi lo tur ani grammar a hian kan tong ani lawa chu tiang angin I keima ani tan vek ani a soi fia tu pon hlok na hi kan nei ani a zot tu pon hlok na chu riat kar tur ani มีตานาทิลทัติฮีอินชีรมง่ายแล้วอันนี้โอเลตูนาตานชวนกันดูตอกเลยพ่อตัง thanks for watching